Yes, I am telling you. Yes, I'm telling you, yes, you, that you can start a jewelry business without spending thousands of dollars up front. Yes, you can sell jewelry like this and this and this and this, okay, and make thousands of dollars every month. Want to know how? Let's go. Don't worry, my rockstars, I got you. Today, I will show you how you can start your own jewelry store without buying jewelry. You see, I sell jewelry on the back end of this channel, and I spend a boatload of money to purchase jewelry and have it shipped to me since I live in the Caribbean. I usually must cover certain costs, such as the money I use to purchase the jewelry. I also have the shipping costs, sometimes 2 sets of shipping costs, depending on where I purchase my jewelry from. Lastly, when the jewelry arrives, I will have to pay customs or the post office duties. So now I am looking to expand my jewelry business and offer my jewelry to different countries. Okay, so basically, I would like to sell, a lot of custom made jewelry, and I've decided that this company that I'll be talking about will definitely help me make my dream come true. So this company now is based in the US, and they provide very high quality products. All right. So they have several successful sellers making thousands of dollars every month selling their products. Okay, so when actually selling or marketing the jewelry, their focus is mainly on the high quality emotional message cards that can easily be created in Canva, and also the message should be able to touch the heart of the buyers. Okay, so now let us look at some of these on Etsy. As you can see, guys, we have a ton of these jewelry selling on Etsy right now, and they have their pretty message card, very romantic message cards, and some of these sellers are star sellers, as you can see. So before you decide to get into this business, sell jewelry on Etsy, even on your website, you can use Etsy as an area where you research and to see what color works, and also what messages works, and in what niche you can sell to. You can sell in every niche. So if something works, I will say use that style in different niches. As you can see, this is already on Etsy. So let us look at some that are doing well. I also want to mention that people are actually selling the message cards here as well. So this is something you can actually do on this side as well. I'm just saying. Let us look at this one here. Happy 60th birthday. We have 51 sales in total. It is only a year old. The listing is 1 year old, and 1 sale in the past 7 days. So we have this one here. It's very nice. Very simple, clean design. So this one here, it's a sunflower. It's a bestseller. Guys, you know I love bestsellers. Let us see. In the past 7 days, it was sold 6 times and 298 total. And the listing just made 1 year this October. All right, and it's selling for $47.96. So some pretty good profit. So this one is very nice, and they include a lovely little video and some very clean, realistic pictures. Okay, so let us look at this, the cancer survivor necklace. Okay, guys, so this one here is doing pretty well. It has, in the past, it was sold, in total, it was sold 99 times. In the past 7 days, it was sold once. Okay, so this listing only made a year old in July. And as you can see, it is very simple. And it is also promoting the Shine and box. Yes, it's selling the mahogany box, and it is also promoting the standard box as well, which is the white card box. I'll show you the white card box right here. Area you're seeing here, that's normal white card box. Okay, so let us look at this one. She Is You. That's another cancer survivor, and this one in the past was sold 39 times. And the listing made a year old in June, so it was sold 39 times, which is good. Imagine to just create a card and put it on a jewelry and bam, sold. So, Raquel, where can I find these jewelry to sell? Glad you asked. Okay, so let me show you now. Okay, and the company we are talking about is Shine On. So guys, Shine On, as they say, they sell viral, high margin personalized products with unlimited profit potential. And they are correct. So as we scroll down, we can actually see some of the products that they sell. They also have custom products. As you can see here, you can actually put a picture on a jewelry, and you can put a personalized note. You can personalize the back of a watch, and of course you're seeing the message cards that we actually saw on Etsy. As you can see here, they actually they provide the base costs, and you will have to provide, and they also provide the sale cost for you. So if you were to sell this for $138, your profit would be $90. They provide a profit as well. Actually give you an idea, and does not include ads. Okay, as we saw on Etsy, a lot of people was promoting their stuff with ads. So as you can see, this is what Ronnie Mackenzie thinks about Shine On, and we have several other customers who provided raving reviews on Shine. We also have more testimonials here from customers talking about their experience with Shine On. All right, so Shine On basically provided a ton of value here for you to look at. Okay, so what I will show you is the different products that they sell. Let's go to all products. Let us create new. So as you can see here, basically Shine On can connect directly with your Shopify store or on Etsy or with Etsy. So these are the two websites it can be integrated with directly. Okay, as I say, selling somewhere else, we accept orders via CSV and through our API. Okay, right, so let us go to the products, and on the products, right, so you can see some of the products here that they are selling, and these are beautiful. So here include design with SKU. Okay, so as you can see, it is actually telling you to when you hover over it, it's telling you to create a product and upload your message card. Okay, and when you click on the product here, it'll show you all products. You can see the top sellers right here. Create a product, and it will show you the products that are selling very well right now. Yeah, so these are selling very well right now. Okay, all right, so I would like to choose a product for us to do a sample creation, and let me show you that. Right, so you can download the message card right here. In the video where I created the message card, you will see that I was using a message card template. So this is where I actually got this template from. So each and every design that you will be working on will have this here where you can download. Okay, but you don't have to if you already downloaded it. So you click here to upload your message card. Okay, and then you click continue to product assets. And there you have it, your lovely designed message card here. Okay, so you can, and you're actually seeing the different pictures here. All right, seeing the different pictures and how this would look. Okay, it's beautiful. And they will provide the two variants. You have the two-tone box, and you have the luxury box with LED light. All right, so you do have an option here that you can sell. All right, so this is lovely. I just want to add that you can also advertise your stores on any social media platform. I also know that several Shine On sellers, they use ads to advertise their product. Okay, so they use Facebook ads, they have Etsy ads as well. They also I know for sure that they use a lot of Facebook ads, and they make thousands of dollars doing so. Okay, I also want to let you guys know that this is not a sponsored video. I have no affiliation with Shine On. I just really like their products and also their business model as well. If this is the sort of videos you like, hit the like button below. Okay, so my rockstars, remember that the focus is on the message card. All right, I have created a video showing you how to create a simple message card, and that video will be posted soon on my channel. Right, so if you want to see the step-by-step process, please subscribe to my channel. I really do hope that you will take this as some inspiration to start your own business. And if you want to know 5 marketing strategies to help you market your business, please look at this video right here.